Hi, I'm Kevin Cornish, Senior Product Development Engineer for Kobalt Tools. So today, we have for you Kobalt 40-volt self-propelled lawn mower. So the first thing you'll notice about this box is its weight. It's a very heavy box, very sturdy construction. Easy grab handles for you to move the box in and out of the store and in and out of your car. The graphics on it, very bright, very bold, lots of imagery, lots of good information. So what jumps out at me the most is the 40-volt badge. So this will work with all your other 40-volt tools. Let's open this box and see what we got. So I'm going to start out by cutting the tape across the sides and along the top. Pro tip to help open this box easier is to cut down the sides. As you can tell, the cardboard is very sturdy, very resilient. And now we can simply just roll out the mower. So the mower comes out of the box nice and compact, so it makes it easier for you to store. Let's put this thing together. We'll put the bagger on the back just to get it out of the way for now. And then first thing we'll need to do is cut these zip ties and remove this plastic. We have the two zip ties, 1 and 2. Remove the side discharge chute. We'll lift the handle off and then get rid of these protective plastic covers. So you'll notice these wing nuts, they have two sections on them. One is to make sure you don't lose them out in the field, and the other section is intended for you to be able to unthread and attach the upper section. And then we'll line up the through holes with the screw boss on both sides of the handle. Flex it out just a little bit. And then reassemble your wing nuts. One side and two sides. As you put this together, you'll notice the black powder coated steel handles. It gives you that extra rigidity and that extra support while using this tool. Before you lift the handle, you'll notice 3 instruction manuals. One for the mower, one for the battery, and one for the charger. You'll want to reference these later. So now it's time to lift the handle. One thing you'll want to do is pick up on the handle just a little bit so you can pull these clips out a little bit easier. Make sure you rotate them 90 degrees to the handle so they stay in place while you move the other clip out. So as we lift this handle, we'll move it out of the way here just so we miss the boom mic, and fold her over. You'll need to reset these clips to snap in the handle to your desired height. And there we have it. So now that we got it together, let's take a look at what we got. We designed 3 different height adjustments for all size users. We also designed in 7 height adjustments for the cutting deck, so that way you can cut all the way down from your greens at Augusta to the tall lush grass of your neighbors. So you'll notice this switch right here. This is a safety switch that we've designed in. This switch is great because when the mower is lifted from the ground vertically, it will protect it from accidentally engaging. So we'll attach this side discharge chute. This allows for versatility of the mower, so you can use it as a side discharge, a mulching, or a bagging mower. So next thing I want to talk about is the wheels. So we have large 10-inch wheels on the back to make it easier for this mower to maneuver around obstacles or flower beds in the yard. So let's look at what else came in the box. We have a battery and we have a charger. This mower comes with a 5 amp hour battery. Press this little button on the top here and it'll show you the voltage. The batteries come with a little bit of voltage. You will need to charge these before you actually use the mower. And your charger. So we designed the charger to make it very easy for you. Just drop the battery in vertically, wait for the light to turn solid green, and the battery's ready to go. So now let's put this battery in the mower. So what you want to do is lift the cover. So you pop the battery in, give it a little press, and now you're ready to mow. So when you're ready to start mowing, this is how you actually use it. This top lever is your baler that engages the blades. This bottom lever is the baler that engages the drive system. Here we have the power button. To engage the blades, press and hold the power button, pull back the baler. As soon as you release the baler, the blade stops spinning. That's the safety feature. We have a lever on the left side over here for your speed control. You can adjust the speed as slow or as fast as you would like. So there you have it. Kobalt 40-volt self-propelled lawnmower. Really excited for you to go out and get this mower. Show it off to all your neighbors. Plenty of runtime in the battery to get the job done.